Hello friends, today we are going to talk about an interesting job role. It's called Customer Success Manager. In my career journey, I got a chance to work as a business analyst and customer success manager for some projects. Based on my experience and knowledge, I'm making this video. So in this video today, we are going to talk about three things. First one is as a customer success manager, my day-to-day life, roles and responsibilities. Second thing is what are the skills are required for this job. Third thing is how many openings people are posting on LinkedIn for this job. So these are three things we are going to cover in this video. So we will go one by one. First thing is as a customer success manager, once I get the project from some sales team, usually we do kickoff call with client. In the kickoff call, we just introduce our team members with clients. Why we are doing this is because our customer also get to know who all are the people are going to work in the project. Before the kickoff call, we usually do three things. One is project plan. We have to talk about start date, end date, in between what are the things we are going to complete. So you have to explain these things in the kickoff call with client. Second thing is you have to get the resource from your internal team members. Maybe your client want to build a mobile application or website, whatever. You have to get the resource from internal team and you have to align those people for the kickoff call also. Third thing is you have to understand the client business requirements and their models. If you have any doubts or if you need any inputs from the client, you can ask in the call itself. Once these things are done, once the kickoff call is end, we will share the MOM with client. Why we are sharing the MOM with client and internal team is we are just ensuring everyone on the same page or not. So this is one part. Also, I'm responsible to build a good relationship and rapport with the client. For that, I have to solve their problems proactively and I have to complete their task within the deadline. So, as a CSM, we have to understand the client goals and challenges because then only we can help with our services or products. Even if you are doing upselling or cross selling, you should know what are the challenges they are facing. So, when you are doing this kind of sellings, it's not about getting benefit for us. We have to give the solution to our clients. So because of that, company is also growing, our client is also growing, so it should get benefit for both of us. So once you are doing these things properly, obviously our customer retention rate will increase, and also if customer want to do any further business, obviously in future they will reach us. Second point is what are the skills are required for this role. I will split into two skills. One is tech skill, another one is soft skill. In tech skill, first one is product knowledge. If you are working in a SaaS company or any product or service related company, first you should know what your company is doing. If you have the deep understanding of what your company is doing, then only you will be able to address the client queries and provide the solution. Second thing is project management. As a CSM, you are going to handle multiple stakeholders in your company and client also. So it's not easy to get the work from others. Sometimes you feel very difficult to get the work from people. So you should know how to handle those kind of people. In soft skill, communication is very important because you are going to handle the clients. Client might be in UK, US or somewhere. Obviously they would use a business language English only. So we should know how to proactively communicate with them. So written and verbal communication is very important for this role. Rest of the things will be like problem solving. You should be flexible and adaptable for your client. Time management with your internal thing. These are the soft skills required for this role. So third point is how many openings for the role on LinkedIn. So I'm going to tell you one thing. Compared to business analyst, we have more openings for customer success manager generally. So I'm just searching the jobs. Okay. So now you can see there is a lot of openings for this role. In India, actually I'm searching in India only. So if you already have any client facing experience, you guys can directly apply for this role. I'm just open on random job openings. So if you are opening any job, you just read the responsibilities and qualifications. See, some of them will mention you have a 5 to 6 years experience. You don't need to worry about that. If you have any client facing experience, that's enough. And communication skill, obviously that's you need it. So what I'm basically telling is sometimes you guys can see healthcare or digital marketing or ed tech. So there might be lot of domains is there. If you know any particular domain little bit, that's enough. So you can apply for the job. Mostly in interviews you will get scenario based questions. So be prepared for that questions. So yeah, these are the things will end up for this role. So if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. I will address your queries. So don't worry, just apply for the job and give the interview as much as you can. One day you will get a job. All the best, guys.